focus is Aurionpro Solutions. It's in focus after it has won an order from the Rajasthan government worth around 70 odd crores. To discuss this, we have Mr. Paresh Zaveri, the chairman of the company, to join to talk about that. He joins in on the phone line now. Mr. Zaveri, hi, thank you very much for taking the time out. Could you start by telling us what this 70 crore order means for you? When does execution start? When do we see it on the P&L?
Sure, Ekta. Thanks for having me. So the order has been won for as a part of overall smart cities scenario across the country, right? So the order is to be executed in this quarter and next quarter. So we expect that by June or July of 2017, we would have completed the first phase of the project. Obviously, we will be managing the project for the next 5 years. So the overall project will continue for 5 years, but majority of the project will be completed and built before the second half of 17-18.
All right, Mr. Zaveri, but could you also tell me about the other verticals of the company? What exactly is the order book of the company across its vertical, digital content, enterprise security, as well as the other businesses that you all are in? And what are the margins on this city surveillance orders likely to be?
So we expect margin on the city surveillance project to be in double digits. So that would probably be where I will give you the high-level guidance. In terms of overall order book of the company, I will not be able to give you the specific number, but business is quite strong, and we expect a very good year ahead, Mangalam.
All right, but if you can tell us, I mean, you are saying that the future looks strong, but in the past, the last quarter, your revenues were down 9%, net profit was aided only by higher other income. Even all of last, this fiscal, you've done fairly worse. So what exactly can you expect in FY?
I mean, one of the reasons for is that we have done very high level of investment. If you remember the acquisition that we had done of the Spike Security, which is one of the great products that is out there for enterprise security that we have launched now, our ISLA product for malware protection. And during the year, we have invested very, very heavily into it. And this year also, we have very heavily invested in our kiosk division, where we have recently launched completely new set of kiosks, which will be the game changer. So if you really see, what we had done about 2 years back was that we have started writing off all the product development expenses in the quarter in which we incur the expenses. And those are very, very significant expenses, specifically expenses around our ISLA acquisition, because it's a true blue Silicon Valley product, is extremely high. And actually, I'm very happy to say that the product is launched, and we have a fantastic feedback from the market. And next year, you will see huge growth in numbers.
Paresh, you know, I just wanted to come in on the fact that you had sold a part of your US business. You had monetized it all the way back in April of 2016 for around 65, 66 odd crores. Any more such monetization that would be on the cards for the company?
No.
Okay. And what was the utilization of funds?
Essentially, we have worked to pay down the debt mainly.
And where does that stand now?
For the debt stands at about 100 plus crores.
Versus how much earlier?
I mean, at peak, it was about 170 crores. So we have significantly pared it down.
And how much more would you like to reduce it by?
Next year, you will see further significant pay down of the debt.
All right, thanks a lot.
I expect in,
All right, thanks a lot, Paresh, for joining in and giving us all those details.